if your delta H is positive, you want your arrow to go upward. You know, your bank money, wow, a lot of money, all go upward. When you see your graph go upward, very happy. Unless it's COVID lah. COVID, go upward, not good. But your bank account go up is a good news. So usually your positive gradient all go up is good news. So you look for arrow going upward. So this one downward, nope. Cross out C and D. This is for exothermic. Thing first, highlight the word solid. So solid X is heated for 600 seconds. That means you are starting off with a solid. Do this. If you are starting with solid, quickly label solid. You go high up in the temperature. Flat line means you are changing state. So you are changing from solid to liquid at this stage. Then temperature rises again. That means you already changed to liquid. So this is liquid. Here is solid. Now here, there's another flat line. Why? Because flat line means you are changing state. So this state is liquid to gas. And finally, you are rising up in temperature again, means you are now in gas state. So this is a revision for you. Now, what is the meaning of melting point? Melting point means you are melting like ice, solid, drop to liquid. So we are looking at this, and therefore this is below 200. So this is absolutely nonsense, nonsense, nonsense. And I'm very confident the answer is B. Statements about diffusion are correct. Number one, aqueous ions cannot diffuse in water. Okay, so let's say I'm a student. I'm not very confident whether statement number one is correct or wrong. I don't put any symbol. Read number two first. Skip. Diffusion is caused by random movement of particle. Correct. This is absolutely correct. That's the keyword for diffusion. So put a tick. Now, if number two is correct, indirectly saying this is out, put a cross. And this one also out already. So rather than I have 25% chance of getting correct, 4 options, I cut down to 50-50, like tembak lah, 50-50% chance of getting it correct. So I'm very confident number 2 is correct. Next, particles spread out in all directions in diffusion. Yes, correct. This is actually very true. So you see, all directions are the keyword. Random movement, all directions are keywords. So this is correct. So you can go for C, and you pretty much already know this is absolutely correct. Know what answer is this? Or same valence electron. Sometimes they don't want to use the word valence. They will use the word same outer shell electron. So right, same outer shell, which is valence. Then you write electron. Okay. Isotope have the same number of neutron. Nope, that is not matching with this keyword. Both isotopes have an electronic configuration of 2882. Okay, this one looks correct. Both isotopes have a mass number. It has nothing to do with mass number. Both isotopes have a 4 fully occupied electron shell. Nope. Arrange the calcium electron, element number 20, 2, 8, 8, 2. The last digit is 2, so it cannot be 4 fully. Fully means it's fully occupied, which means that 8 on the valence. So this statement is absolutely not correct, and therefore the answer is B. Okay, which statements about the aqueous ethanoic acid are correct? When you see ethanoic acid, straight away you need to write weak acid. Okay, like weak acid, number 1. It can be produced by oxidizing ethanol with potassium iodide. For those of you who shoot thumbs down, right? How did you know it's wrong? God knows. No, it's not God knows. Everybody write down, your famous oxidizing agent, usually you're going to use potassium manganate 7 and or potassium dichromate 6. The famous reducing agent that you must memorize is your potassium iodide. Potassium iodide. Okay, so this is wrong because this fella is reducing agent. It's not an oxidizing agent. Only got 2 famous example for oxidizing agents. So statement 1 is wrong, and I'm going to cross out A and B. Okay, now it reacts with magnesium to produce hydrogen gas. Yes, definitely. Any acid, weak or strong, will react with metal to form hydrogen gas. So statement 2 is correct quickly. Correct? Correct. So we can't cross out any option. Number 3, it has an approximate pH value of 3. Past year paper 6, you're going to write 1. Strong acid, you just write 1. If it is weak acid, they already consider numbers like 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is actually macam yes. If you are not very confident, you read the next one first. All right. Now, it produces esters called metanoate. Eh? If you are ethanoic acid, you form ethanoate. If you are propanoic acid, you form propanoate. If you are butanoic acid, you form butanoate. So this one I can actually detect is wrong because metanoate, and this is ethanoate. So I knew it's wrong definitely, and I will cross number 4. Answer is C. 10 seconds. 21. D. How did the teacher know this super fast? Okay, calcium is group 2, lithium is group 1, magnesium is group 2, sulfur is group number 6. So acidic oxide is referring to your non-metal oxide. Okay, how to memorize whether non-metal oxide is acidic or alkali? Did you know this secret? I'm going to share right now. Now, they are called alkali metals and alkali earth metals. Why? Because when they react with water, they form alkali. And when they react with oxide, they become your basic oxide. Base means like alkali. So basic oxide is the metal side. Understand? Basic is like alkali. So already given you the clue. All your metals are alkali. So alkali oxide, basic oxide is metal. So do I make myself clear? Which chemicals can be used as a fertilizer to provide the 3 elements needed for plant growth? I teach this already. What are the 3 elements? Madini, thank you. NPK, correct. Now let's go. Which one can give you nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium? Do you know how to play? Okay. K. What else? N. Got P or not? Got P or not? Play the game. Nope. So I think we cross out lah. Okay, we crossed out. Because must have 3 elements. Okay, B. K got, T got, N got. Hey, this one looks good. C, don't have K. C don't have K. D. D don't have P. So answer is B. This is pretty fast. Highlight structural isomers. What is the meaning of structural isomers? Same general formula, but different arrangement of atoms. But different arrangement of atoms. So the keyword here is they have the same general formula. So their counting of elements should be the same. Can you guys count together with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carbon got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Macam yes, ready. Let's do the last one. Let's not be overconfident. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon. Hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. There you go. Answer is out. Can you guys see that? Do counting, they have the same formula, C5H12, number 1 and number 3. They have the same formula, and I will go for B. Very confident. So question 1, a gas is placed in a sealed container. Okay, so sealed container means, nothing is escaping. The gas has a pressure of 1 atmosphere, highlight, and a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. Someone is here, man. See all these latecomers. Okay, continue. It is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, so there is a rise in temperature. Increase in temperature. You can write big like this to stay focused. Okay, which row describes the cause of the pressure? Cause of the pressure and the effect of increasing the temperature of the gas. Okay, cause of pressure, collision between gas particles. Not so correct. Collision between gas particle and the container. Okay, this one looks good. Let's say if you are not very confident, all right, both also looks very similar. You take a look at this section first. Now, the effect of increasing temperature, what will you do is collision become less frequent, Nope. Average of the speed of the gas particle increases. Good. Less frequent. Nope. And average speed increases. Correct. So I knew that A and C is out of the discussion. So the difference is just gas between the particles or collision between particle and container. Definitely D. That is the definition of pressure. Collision with the particle is not causing the pressure, but with the container itself. So question 1, I'm very confident, put like this or smiley lah. Okay, so you do your planning. Let's go. Let's check. You 2 iron, 2 iron. Okay, looks good. 3 carbon, 3 carbon looks good. Oxygen here got 3, and here got another 3 oxygen. So there are 6. Here got 6 oxygen. I think this is correct. Part 1 is correct. Okay, let's check one at a time. So serious here. 1 zinc. 1 zinc looks good. 2 chlorine. 2 chlorine. Okay, macam yes. 1 carbon. 1 carbon. Correct. 2 hydrogen. Here got 4 hydrogen. Okay, this one is wrong already. So what you do when you see number 2 is wrong, so A is out. C is out. Let's check number 3. Nitrate, there are 2. Nitrate, there are 2. 2 sodium. This one 1 sodium only. Mana boleh. So part 3 is incorrect. Sodium not tally. And if part 3 is wrong, then I'm very confident. Thank you, Madini. It's indeed. So, we can definitely, just check one at a time, and we managed to cross 3 options. Voila, 6B. Endothermic, delta H is positive or negative? Positive, very good. So you do like this. If your delta H is positive, you want your arrow to go upward. Your bank money, wow, a lot of money, all go upward. When you see your graph go upward, very happy. Unless it's COVID lah. COVID, go upward, not good. But your bank account go up is a good news. So usually your positive gradient all go up is good news. So you look for arrow going upward. So this one downward, nope. Cross out C and D. This is for exothermic. You see your delta H, all this is trying to trick you only, but the arrow already give you away. Downward arrow is exo, so we look for endothermic, okay? So that's already the first clue. Now, look at your delta H, negative delta H, nonsense. I'm very confident it's B. So very, very confident, 10B. Acid, keyword partially dissociate, that is correct. In aqueous solution, they never finish the sentence to form hydrogen plus ion. And acid, accept proton. Wait a minute. Acid is proton donor. Donor means you lose. Proton donor, right? When added to water. This one doesn't look correct. Ethanoic acid. Strong acid. Come on, man. Ethanoic acid is weak. Strong acid only got 3 fella. Hydrochloric, sulfuric, and your nitrate. All the organic chemistry acid are weak. Ethanoic, propanoic, etc. all are weak. So 3 is definitely wrong. C is wrong. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. Okay. Ionizes in water to form H minus. No lah. H minus is wrong. 17 is indeed A. Correct.